Good morning, students. Today, let's see that optical isomers. The optical isomers is a type of stereoisomerism, and the compound which differ in the property of rotation of plane polarized light. Uh, the phenomena is called optical isomerism. That compound are called optical isomers. You see, here that example, what we can say, the example of the lactic acid. Uh, so here, this is a lactic acid has a optical isomerism, and right. So here, this lactic acid rotate the plane polarization in right side. So that's why we give you the textorotatory, D for textorotatory, and this will be in the left side, and that will be of levorotatory. So this will be rotate the right side in a plus 2.24 degree, and it will be rotate in the left side. And this pair of compound is called now enantiomer. So it has a mirror image relationship. The compound which has mirror relationship will have opposite of this. So now you see, if you reflect this, and this OH will come here, and this hydrogen will go there like that. So, and you see now this is the pair of this is called enantiomer. So the optical isomer pair is called optical isomer. You see, this is the textorotatory lactic acid, and this will be levorotatory, and this pair of compound are called optical enantiomers. If we have mirror image relationship, then it's called optical isomers. And these two, the property of these two compound, both the D-lactic acid and L-lactic acid will have same chemical properties as well as same physical properties, except the only the property of rotation of plane polarized light. It differs. Remaining all these things are same. Only it differs the rotation of the plane polarized light, and this will rotate the light into right side, and this will rotate into left side. So that's why okay, and remaining all other properties are same. You see here, and this is an example of one what we can say, it's a 2-methyl 1-butanol, and see, boiling point is same and relative density is same, okay, and refractive index is same, but only it differ in opposite direction, okay, and all the chemical property as well as also same, okay. And now, so I take another type. Suppose if you go for more than one, that is optical isomer having more than one asymmetric carbon atom, like so here it is an asymmetric carbon atom, and this is one asymmetric carbon atom, and this is another asymmetric carbon atom. If the compound has more than one asymmetric carbon atom, have a large number of isomers, and that formula will be 2 power n. So, and usually to have a 2 power 2 asymmetric carbon atom, the 2 stands for, n stands for number of asymmetric carbon atom, then it will be 4 isomers, 4 optical isomers. Out of that, this will be the one type, and this will be the another type. And you can write for this is for this also you can write for this compound also you can write a mirror image, and this also you can write a mirror image. Totally 4. And but so if you draw the mirror image for this, okay, and if you draw the mirror image of this, and this will be CH3, and here also CH3, and this will be H, and here will be H, and this will be Vr, and this will be Cl. And these two compounds are now will be enantiomers, enantiomer. And whereas when you go for this case also you can go for mirror image. Okay, and this is in a CH3 and CH3. Here is H and Br, and this is Cl and H. And now this will be, these two are called now enantiomers. But the problem now, what relationship these two will have? These two compound 1 and 2, what relationship? So there is no mirror image relationship, but it is, these two are the same compound, but it has no mirror image relationship, and then these two are called diastereomers. Okay, and the properties of diastereomers will be different. The property, physical property will be different of this diastereomers. And for examples of like boiling point, melting point, density, refined, everything will be different. But these have a same chemical property because the compound is same, and chemical property will be the same. Okay. And now another important example is racemic mixture. Suppose if you mix the D isomer and L isomer in equal quantity, that equimolar mixture, and now and one 50-50%, and one will rotate in positive side, another will rotate in negative side, and both will be cancelled each other, and overall there will be a optically inactive, and that mixture is called racemic mixture, right? And how to name this optically active compound? That's we have to go for another nomenclature. It's called absolute nomenclature system. That's called RS nomenclature system, right? And here also that there are four groups in a carbon atom. In a carbon atom, four groups are surrounded by on a carbon atom, and so we have to go for a priority again. So like EZ system, and we got to go for a priority system, priority of the four groups. And after finding this, and after finding the priority, and you have to name whether it is R configuration or S configuration. Let us consider this example as a this is our example. So now let us consider here. So in this case, the bromine will have a higher priority because high atomic number. So this is 1, and next is chlorine 2, and fluorine is 3, and fourth 1. Okay. So suppose this type of system is given to name the RS notation, and you have to see the fourth one, that is a lowest priority in below the plane, and you see it's a dotted line is means what? Below the plane. So if it is in a below the plane, and you can just see 1, 2, 3 alone, and if it is a right hand side or left hand side, and you can leave that, leave the low priority, and just you see 1, 2, 3 number 1, 2, 3, and rotate the number in 1, 2, 3, and that will be a clockwise direction. Now it is called R. If it clockwise direction, then it is called R. Suppose here you go for 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, and this is fourth one will be the below plane, and you can and just only go for the 1, 2, 3, and this will be left hand side, that is anti-clockwise side. So then it is called S. Okay. Now suppose the fourth one is in above the plane. Suppose here the fourth one is in above the plane. What you should do? So if fourth one is above the plane, and for example it may be like that, okay, and C and Cl and F, okay, and this will be maybe of H, okay, and this will be of Br, and this will be of Br. And if it is like that, and again you give the number 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now the fourth number is above the plane, and in this case how to name that? And here in this case, and just to go for 1, 2, 3, but it is in a anti-clockwise direction, but the fourth group, the lowest priority above the plane, and you have to reverse the direction. So it is an anti-clockwise, and this you go to reverse it. So it's a clockwise, and you go to say R configuration, or you can say like that also. So if it is in a clockwise, if it is an anti-clockwise, and it has to have a yes, but above the plane, the lowest priority is in above the plane. So then go for reverse the sign, and that is instead of S, and it will go for R. So this way you can nomenclature, absolute nomenclature. Okay, so this is the way of naming. Okay, and so in the case of rule 2, suppose if it is the compound is four different group, and here first atom is similar, for in the case of here, and you see that first priority is oxygen, and second priority you see the carbon atom here, and here also the carbon atom. So in this case, if it is the same carbon atom, if it is that is same atom is linked with the asymmetric carbon atom, and you have to go for the second atom which is attached with the atom which is attached to the asymmetric carbon atom. For in this case, this both are carbon. So now with this carbon, there are three hydrogens are linked. Three hydrogens are linked. Whereas in this carbon atom, only two hydrogens and one carbon. So the total is now, this will be the higher. So now the priority is 2 for this. This is 3 and this is 4. Suppose if this is the Fisher projection is given for you, and here, and the RS notation must be given in such a way that, and first one is 1, 2, 3, and it is an anti-clockwise. Okay, and suppose the fourth one is in the below plane, that means either in vertical. So here, this here lowest priority or here lowest priority, either here or here lowest priority is there, and you can keep whatever comes as it is. For example, this is an anti-clockwise, so you can give yes, as it is you can give, because both is in below plane, or if it is an above plane, then also just rotate 1, 2, 3, and if anti-clockwise comes, and suppose if it is an H comes in the parallel plane like this, CH3 and CH2, CH3 and OH. So now the O is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3 and it is 4. Suppose in this case, suppose if you go for 1, 2, 3 and this is an anti-clockwise direction, but the fourth one, that is the lowest priority in a horizontal plane. So in this case, and you have to reverse that. So now it is an anti-clockwise yes, but you have to put for R. So reverse the direction. So this will be R configuration, and this is the case you have to name like this. And suppose another one important is, suppose a carbon atom linked with a double bond, for example C, okay, for example like this, okay, if it is a C, here it is a C double bond triple bond CH, okay, and suppose another one will be C double bond O and H, okay, and another one will be and CH3 and hydrogen, like this. And what it mean actually here, and you see here the first priority has to go for carbon, 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 so all are carbon, and you have to go for the next one. If you see this, and here you see there are triple bond with the C, so this carbon atom has to link with the 4 bond, and one will be this and another 3 of carbon. So here if it is a triple bond is there, and you have to say how many bond is there, that many number of atoms, C, C, C. So here there are 3 C's are linked with the carbon atom, whereas here, and this is 2 double bond with carbon, so 2 oxygens and 1 hydrogen. So, and now compare 3C, that is carbon is 12, atomic number is 6, so here 3 3 into 6 is 18, but here it is 8, it is, so 8, 8, 16 and 17. So, and this will be now higher priority now and than this. So this is the number one, because it is 8, 8 only, 16 and 17 only comes here. It is a 3, 6 are coming, so it's a 18. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the priority. Now go for 1, 2, 3, and fourth one will be of planar. So it is an anti-clockwise side actually, but the fourth is in the horizontal plane and reverse that, so it will be R. And this way you have to name. Okay, and so some of the order will be given in the given PDF. So this way you have to answer the RS notation. Okay, so that's all about the absolute configuration system of optical active compound. Thank you very much.